To add a new item, we expand the item panel. Next, we click on the Add New Box Item button on the right. In the Open panel, we fill in the parameters such as item name, weight, width, height, and length, and then save it. When the creation process is successful, we can see the newly added item in our list. We can quickly select the created items in batches and group them in our shipment using arrows. In this panel, we can also search for a specific item using the search bar. Finally, we can perform deletion and editing operations by clicking on the relevant icons on the right side of the list.